Hi guys, this is Maker Bon Aaron, and welcome back to my kitchen. Hey, I got a very small kitchen, just very small kitchen, right? It's just right here. I'm used to a bigger kitchen with more space, but hey, you have to work with what you have. And here in the Philippines, come closer. Here in the Philippines, guess what? The kitchens are very small. So, of course, you can see the stove is very small. I can't do too much on it, maybe 3 burners at a time. You can, depending on how small the pot is, you might have a little pot here with another pot. Well, anyway, today I'm cooking curry chicken. And of course, I'm trying to imitate my wife. See, I usually try to imitate my mama and my grandmother, but my wife is so amazing. I think she surpassed my mom and my grandmother. So here in this very small kitchen today, like I was saying earlier, I'm making my wife's famous curry chicken. I was trying to imitate my grandmother and my mom, but I tell you, my wife's taste bud is incredible. So I'm trying to imitate her. And of course, you know, I have to season the chicken because, you know, I mean, her seasoning is just off the chain. Anyway, come over here and check this out. So, this is my curry chicken and what it looks like, man. It's getting there. It has the taste. It has the flavor. Ooh, I'm just waiting for this thing to cook down a little bit. But that's it right there, man. Good. All right. So now that my curry chicken is there and it's doing its thing, I am making dumpling and provision, right? Check this out. This is really nice. So I got yams, banana, potatoes, chocho or sayuti, carrots, and of course you can see my flavor in there. But here's something I want to show you. I want you to always notice that when you cook provision like this, come close, I want you close. When you cook provision like this, you can make a soup out of it as well. That you don't have to just cook it and throw in the water. You can use the water for soup. Go closer, go closer. I want you to see that. I want you to use water for soup. So look at that, the dumpling, the banana, everything in there. So that's going to be soup as well as food to eat with the curry chicken. All right, over here, come. I'm making dumpling, my famous dumpling, man. Yo, and you know, I don't play with the kneading. You know, some people knead like this with their fingers. I don't do that. I don't like that. I don't like that idea. I like to kneel with my fists because, you know, in your nails, even though I cut my nails very low, you still have, you know, germs or whatever can get into that. So, you know, I have this thing about kneeling. When I kneel a dumpling, I kneel it like this. You see that? I just push over and kneel like this. And guess what? What I find, I can knead the dumpling really faster than that. All right. So we're having that today. All right. Let me come over here now and show you something. So I'm gonna finish kneading that up. Look. But then my daughter, she just loves rice. She's a rice maniac. So of course, you know, I did my seasoned rice again. Check this out, guys. Check this out. I did my seasoned rice again for her. I mean, of course, I'm gonna eat some of it. She ain't gonna get all of it. But you know, I did some seasoned rice, and I just simply put some onions, but I like the yellow onion. I mean the green onions. The yellow onion, sorry. And I like the scallion and thyme, and I put some tomatoes in there. And I noticed something about the tomatoes here. Whoops. All right, let's go over here. Let me show you something about the tomatoes. So you might not feel privy to use tomatoes here, because the skin are very hard. I don't know if when you ever buy a sandwich, you buy food in the store or whatever, the skin is very hard. So people tend to not use them. But here's a way you can. Peel it and peel the skin off. And if you peel the skin off, guess what? You can have that fresh tomatoes. So there you got my secret. All right, man. So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. This is my little pot. This is my little cooking. Gotta wipe some sweat off my face here now because you don't want sweat in your food. You know what I mean? You gotta make sure you're good like that. But hey, simple way to cook chicken and provision and rice and to make a good meal. And this meal is gonna serve us 2 days. So, you know, that's all you got to do it here. All right, love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Leave that thumbs up. Yeah, man, help us get to 10 grand. 10,000.